Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video, I'm going to try and remove this dinette set that we have in here. And if you guys have watched the other videos that I've made, we are going to make this into a workstation. So let me show you guys what it looks like here real quick. So this is the dinette set, and shout out to my boy at Camping Randy, because he was watching one of the videos, I think the one that I did the tour, and he was like, man, change your the view on there to a 0.5. And it works, man. So shout out to Randy. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for always looking out. And this guy, one of my bros, he's, we've known each other forever. So you guys will see him at some point. So go check out Camping Randy. But yeah, so this is the dinette set that we are going to remove. And I had my friend Chris over checking our RV out, and she's the RV tech. And I didn't know what this stuff was, so I didn't want to mess with it. Didn't know if any of that was, something that I couldn't move. And it turns out that I can. So looks like one of the previous owners, there was two owners, more than likely it was the first owner, that put a power inverter down below. And then we were wondering where this was plugged in. So now we know. So there's the cord. It runs all the way across here. And then the power inverter is under there. And then it's also plugged into that outlet. So I can actually move it around. Now, more than likely, I'm going to leave that power inverter in that area, because then that can plug in our computers and all that other stuff. So we won't have any problems there. So yeah, so I'm going to attempt that. And then also, what's really cool is I'm going to be putting up some stickers. So I'm going to use the door on the outside here. I've already cleaned it. And I'm going to put our first stickers up. So the first ones, of course, are ours. And if you guys have stickers out there and you want some to trade or anything like that, let us know. Message us. And then my boy Camping Randy, I'm going to put his sticker up. And then, of course, I've got a couple from my guy Chrome at Van City Van Life. And then we love Ron John, so I'm going to put a couple of those. So again, if you guys have any stickers or anything like that you'd like to trade with us, let us know. Give me a comment, and we'll get it straightened out. So, okay, guys, let's see what we can do here. Also, guys, I wanted to cover this. So I saw a couple of carpenter ants running around, which concerned me a little bit there. So I found this stuff on TikTok. I love TikTok. I know some people don't like TikTok, but I love it. It's given me some really good ideas and some things that other RVers are out there putting, things that work for them. And, I've saved all of that stuff. So yeah, so this was one of the things that was out there. And let me tell you, I put it up and I have not seen a carpenter ant in days. So it works. Actually, I'm not going to show it to you because there's a trap over here real quick. And it has a couple of them in there. So what it does is some of them stayed in there, and then it also carries whatever that poison is back to whatever the nest is. And I have not seen one since, and it's been about 3 days. So if you're having any type of ant issues, carpenter ants, whatever, highly recommended. It's going very well. All right, guys, here's the door that all of our stickers are going to go on. So just wanted to show you how clean it is and that there's nothing on there. So hopefully at some point we'll have this thing fully covered with stickers. Really excited about our journey, guys. All right, guys, there you have it. Our very first stickers on our RV. There we have Ron John, of course, my guy Van City Van Life at Chrome. And then our two stickers. And again, guys, if you have stickers, we would love to trade. So let us know. Comment below or send us an email. And then my boy Camping Randy. Don't forget to go follow him, guys. All right. Super sweet. Wanted to tell you guys real quick what we're planning on doing here. So again, we're looking to do a workstation here. Get this out. It's going to give us a little more room. But Hope came up with a really good idea. I'm going to post a picture so you guys can see it. So right here along the wall, again, to give us some room, is we're going to put a table, okay, that goes across there. And then when she's done working or whatever I'm doing, then we can actually, it'll be on hinges, and then the table can go down along against the wall. So that's a really cool idea. I showed it to my father-in-law. He thought that was pretty cool too. And yeah, so we're looking at doing that. I'm going to see, I don't know if I can, I'm going to see if I can at least keep this wall up, but I don't know. One thing that Chris mentioned was you don't want someone knocking their head on this. So maybe at some point get some some cushion or something that I can put there, so that way no one can injure themselves. So I'll see if I can hold on to it. Plus, like I said, it's got the fire extinguisher but I can hook that fire extinguisher up to the wall as needed. So, all right, guys, let's give this thing a shot and see if I can get this thing off of here. All right, guys, first thing is out. Got the table out of there. Clearly there are some holes that we are going to have to fill, and should be pretty easy, no big deal there to fill those. And yeah, so the table is out. Look how much room is in here now. Oh my goodness, plenty of room for activities.
Should have been.
Look at all this floor space.
So
We
much,
do aerobics in here.
so many activities.
Do step class.
It's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
And this is next. Okay, guys, here's what I was talking about. So they've installed a power inverter, 1500 watt power inverter, and they had the recliners hooked up to this, and then also this outlet connected to it. So yeah, so I'll be taking that all out. I'm gonna actually leave this on here. More than likely it'll end up here on the wall or something like that. I don't know just yet what we're gonna do with it, but it will stay there in the meantime until we start getting this table and all that stuff. I think this would be great for when we you know, get our office stuff up here and easy stuff to connect to. So yeah, that's the power inverter. So here's where I've gotten so far. Got all that stuff off the top, and then this is where everything is here. Okay, everybody, so there you have it. It is complete. Again, I'm gonna leave that wall up there for right now, and then that one there, just gonna leave that there. The plugs are still there. The inverter is still there, and then of course the seat belts, which I'll have to take out at some point. I've got those holes filled from the table for right now. I'll have to figure that out. And yeah, so it is out of here. Really excited about that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is get this TV out of here as well. So, because most likely, you know, there's a plug up here, which is cool, but we don't need this TV. So we're going to put our printer up here, and it'll have a plug-in, so it'll be easy to utilize. And this up here will be most likely storage. So yeah, guys, that is it. The dining or the dinette set is out of here, and we are another step into our journey. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Thanks so much for all of the positive feedback that we've received, and I would love suggestions too. So let me know what you guys think, especially you RVers out there. If you're out there doing this, let us know what you guys think, and you know, give us some ideas of what we need to do, you know, for the renovation piece and all that stuff. All right. So thank you all so much for watching, and take care. We'll see you soon.